I'm Nathalie Stingelin from Georgia Tech. I'm originally Swiss and I'm working on organic electronics. So I'm a trained material scientist specialized in polymers, in plastics. But we use nowadays the plastics for electronic applications, from solar cells to smart, soft materials that hopefully can heal neurons and we can use for smart health applications. It's a very unique conference because I often go to the organic bioelectronics conferences, which is still a relatively small field. So many of us came from the organic electronics field. What is so special about this one is that it brings also engineers, like electrical engineers, like Ralph, who will talk afterwards here. So I think it merges a few of the bioelectronics fields, not only from the organic electronics, but also from the electrical engineering. So it's great to meet new people and see new applications. That is fascinating. I've been here at KAUST at least 10 times. Before I moved to Georgia Tech, I was in Imperial College, so Imperial had at that time a strategic alliance, but I could keep up my collaborations also after my move to Georgia Tech, and it's always a pleasure to come here.
My name is Raffitin Cummings. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at Johns Hopkins University in the United States. I'm originally from the Seychelles, not far from here. It's fascinating because I've always thought that there was a nice nexus between the material science side of electronic devices and the application side, which is the neuroscience side that I referred to. And it's exactly the kind of people we have here. Well, I mean, for one, the folks who I'm now seeing again, they've progressed, substantially in their career. Folks have gone from being, a junior faculty to being full professors, so that's a wonderful thing. Looking at the publications that's come out of KAUST, it's also quite impressive, citation rates and whatnot, so that's another cool thing. Happy to be back, happy to see the beautiful place, and yeah, enjoying it.
I am Samir Sunkusle from Tufts University in the Boston area, and I work in the area of flexible electronics, flexible sensors, biomedical devices, circuits and systems. And most of my work is basically informed from problems in medicine and biology. So we're very excited about this new paradigm of making flexible devices and flexible electronics using threads, regular linen threads that you find on textile as substrates for making sensors, for electronics, and for even doing drug delivery. Some of the things we've implemented are smart bandages for treatment of chronic wounds and some smart surgical sutures for monitoring infection. Very wonderful workshop. From what I've heard in the last day or two, I'm really excited about the kind of research that's going on at KAUST, and looking forward to hearing more.